In the past 3 days, I have earned just over $464.76 with the power of affiliate marketing and using completely free traffic. In this video, I'm going to explain to you each and every step that you need to take in order to replicate exactly what I did so you can see your first perhaps $100 in a day. You can scale to $200 to $300 plus over time as you work more and more at this. I'm going to show you the exact product that I used and each step that I took to get this promoted and to see commissions like this. I'm also going to hop into my dashboard to show you my live earnings from this, to show you what I've earned in the past 3 days exactly, so you can kind of get an indication of what kind of results you can see from this. So I'm right here inside of my PC on my ClickBank dashboard, and you can see here today being October 21st, I hit $94.62 in affiliate commissions. We're still not at the end of the day, so we still got some time to go to see if any more sales come through. October 20th, which was yesterday, I hit $212.36 in commissions, and then October 19th, $157.78. Before that, I wasn't really promoting any ClickBank products, and you can see the current week just over $460, which is really good so far, and I'm really happy with these results. So just to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard, you can see here. And there you can see that this is my live dashboard. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a ClickBank marketing course. It's called ClickBank Marketing Experts. And I'm going to give this course to you at the end of this video completely for free. So make sure to keep watching with me until the end. This is just a gift from me to you to help you guys out to get some more results with perhaps ClickBank and affiliate marketing. At the end of this video, I will teach you exactly how you can get this course. It's a course that I paid for, so I'm going to give this to you guys in this video. And the first platform that we need to go and visit is clickbank.com. So clickbank.com is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the world, where there's literally a gold mine here waiting for money to be made online. So here thousands of people around the world list their products, whether it's a digital software product, a digital course, where you can become an affiliate for them, literally just share their product, get a sale through your unique affiliate link, and you're going to get a commission for that. So you don't need to create any product, you don't need any stock on hand, you don't need any capital to start. There's literally high ticket sales waiting to be made here, and this is a true gold mine online. Now I know ClickBank has quite a strict sign up process, so I am going to quickly go get an alternative for you, which is warriorplus.com. So Warrior Plus is basically the same as ClickBank, except it's an alternative, much easier to sign up on, and it's also accepted worldwide, and you can get your affiliate link for various products all over the world. But in this case, for this video, I'm going to be using ClickBank because the product I've been using is on ClickBank. So all you're going to do is you're going to log in or sign up with your account, and that's going to take you to a dashboard that looks like this. What you want to do is you want to click on the marketplace button over here, which will take you to the marketplace here, and you want to actually just quickly click on the search bar. This is all the top ClickBank products so far. You want to sort the results by gravity, meaning these are products that are selling the most, they're obviously doing the best, they're the highest quality products, and a lot of people are making a lot of commission with these products. And you can actually see most of these products in this top category of all the top products on ClickBank right now is mostly health and fitness. Obviously that is a trending product right now, so we're actually going to capitalize on that to make money online, because obviously you want to find out what the demand is, what people are looking for, because that means you're going to get more sales, more commissions, because it doesn't help promoting a product to an audience that is not interested in any of these kind of products. So the one that I've specifically been using is the custom keto diet, where you earn $47.91 every single sale that you make. And you can also make more than that because there is upsells and downsells. And this is basically a diet program made for different people. So you can take this program, select a diet that suits you, take like a body type test, and then it kind of gives you like this diet that suits you. So it is really a product that is selling well right now, and a lot of people are succeeding with this, and they are achieving their fitness and health goals. That's why this is selling so well. Just quickly to show you, I'm going to click on the landing page. This landing page is completely done for you, where your clients can get their own custom keto diet. They've got a whole training video here on how to lose weight according to their specific body type. So you don't need any website, no hosting. This landing page is all done for you. So you can see here, when you click on promote, you can go and generate your affiliate link, which is this long link here. So when people click on this link, purchase this product, I get a commission of $47.91. But the next step is we need to go and find, and how I've been doing this is I've basically been hooking in people into this product by giving away free products, and kind of they purchase my product in return. So I like to use the the term Gary Vee used, jab, 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 hook, where you give, and eventually you can take something back. So what I've been doing is I came over to IDPLR, and I've actually just been giving away this Bulletproof Keto Diet video course, which is basically a shorter, more vague video course on what the Bulletproof Keto Diet is. It's not really a custom diet like the paid program, and I can go and give this away to people and kind of just get people into my product from there. So the one we're actually going to be using is this one here, the Bulletproof Keto Diet ebook. So I'm going to click on this. You can come over to, idplr.com, which is the website where you're going to go and get this. But do notice when you do create a free account, you only have two premium product downloads. So I suggest use that free download for this specific book. If you've already used those downloads, what I'll do is I'll leave a download link to this ebook in the pinned comment. So make sure to go and do that. So I'm going to quickly sign in with my account. Once this download is complete, I've now moved it over to a folder where I've extracted this WinZip file, and you can see all you're going to do is right click extract here, and it's going to open up the entire ebook and its different modules over here. Yeah, you can see you've got the training guide, the cheat sheet, the mind map, the resource report, ready-made sales page, sales video, legal pages. The one you are going to look for is the training guide, which is the ebook in this case. So this is the Bulletproof Keto Diet ebook, and you can see here an entire ebook on different diets, how the lifestyle works and how it can benefit you. And what you want to do is, now that you've got this ebook, I'm just going to move this aside. You want to come over to a website such as Free PDF Online Editor. So you can come over to pdf-editor-online.com, click on Browse for Documents on your PC. This is then going to pop up. Head over to the folder where the training guide is, double click on this, and you want to upload this to this PDF editor. And over here, you can go and edit each and every page in this ebook, which is really handy. So what you want to do is you want to come over to page 2, 3, 4, all of them, and at the top or the bottom of each page, for example, you can see here I can click and I can actually type and edit in my own text. And you can type something, for example, if you would like to get your own custom keto diet based on your body type, click here to get your own custom keto diet and get the results you are looking for. Then what you can do is you can come back over to ClickBank where this keto diet product is, click on promote, copy your affiliate link, quickly come over to a website called bit.ly so we can go and shorten this URL. You can see here, shorten this here. Let's click on shorten. Copy the short URL, come back to your PDF editor, and then you want to paste this over here. You want to highlight this, and you want to click on this little link tool, and you want to paste this URL over here and click on save. And then what you can do is you can drag this towards the center. Let's just actually click enter over here. Let's actually centerize this so it fits the text of the page. And there we go. You can go and have this piece of text on every single page, and you want to literally just go copy paste. So you can go to the top of the page, you can go right click, you can select all of this, Control C or right click copy, and you can go and paste the text on each and every page. So for example here as well, we're going to paste this, we're going to just centerize it, make it look nice and neat, and there we go. You want to go and put this link on every single page on the bottom and the footer so that anybody that reads this ebook will see this link on each and every page. Once you're done, click on done and download this ebook. You can see here, all you want to do is save documents as PDF. You just need to create a free account. So once this ebook is then done, you want to come over to a website called simplegoods.co where you can basically go and sell digital products. So you can either choose to give this ebook away, or you can actually go and sell it for like $1 or $2 and make extra income on that. But what I suggest is rather focus on giving this away. Once it's done, you want to come over to pricing and sign up. Don't worry, this is a completely free tool, and all you need is the free tool at $0 a month. You can get started for free. You don't need to enter any credit card information. And on your dashboard over here, you want to come over to orders over here. Oh, sorry, click on products, not orders, products. You want to click here, click on new product. You want to go type in the product name, which in this case, you can just go copy, which you can go copy off the IDPLR website. Let's just move this here next to it. And you want to paste this here. Short description. You can literally use this entire description here. We can go and paste this here again. For the price, we can leave at 0. For the image, you can go and use this image over here. So you can go and save this to your PC. And for the return URL, what you want to do is you also, again, want to use your affiliate link. So I'm just going to quickly go copy my bit.ly link, that short affiliate link that I just created, and go and paste this here. So what this means is when somebody go and downloads this ebook, basically it's going to take them to the thank you page, which is the return URL, which in this case is going to take you to the landing page of the keto custom diet through your affiliate link, which again gets them through to the paid product, which is essentially where you're going to get your commissions. Once that's done, you can actually go and click on create products over here, and you can see your product is now created. Yeah, you can see your link to this product. So if I copy this and paste this in a browser just to show you what this page looks like, this is what this looks like. And the next step is quite simple. All we need to do is copy our landing page link to our page over here. And what we need to do is we need to go and at least sell 1 or 2 of these to initially get at least our first, let's say $50 to $100 commission. So again, I'm not taking anything out of my pocket. What I did was I came over to diet groups on Facebook. You can see here diabetes care and hormonal support, lose weight in 2 weeks with diet and advice, 1,200 calories, all 74K members, 89K members, 289K members, 7.4K members. And what you can do is you can go into these groups and recommend this ebook or this training guide and say, hey, this ebook helped me lose 2 kilograms or 3 kilograms in my first month of following the keto diet. Let me know what you think. Have a look at this book. Let me know if it helps you, because I want to get the custom keto diet plan. I'm not sure if I should. I would like to hear your guys' opinion. You don't want to go and cold promote. You want to go and ask for other people's opinions, kind of forcing them to go and check out the product. So it's kind of like a, you give value, I'm asking for your opinion, go check it out, let me know what you think kind of thing, instead of just cold promoting, which essentially gets people through to your affiliate link, and then 1 or 2 will bite, getting 1 or 2 sales, which is that initial $100. Then what you can actually do is to go and build a full-time income out of this is, you can go over to a website like fameswap.com where you can actually go and buy Instagram accounts and have like build an Instagram business around that and completely monetize your Instagram page. So you'll see, obviously we are into food and nutrition. So we want to click on food and nutrition, and you can see here is a page with 1.1 million followers, 127K followers. Some of these pages will go anywhere from $100 to $1,000 depending on the audience, the size of the page. So for example, a 1 million audience page will obviously be a lot more expensive. There's a lot more engagement, a lot bigger following base, a lot more money to be made. So you can literally go and turn one of these Instagram pages into like a full-time Instagram business where you do shout outs. You can go and promote this link like in your bio. You can go do theme pages. You can go to other Instagram pages, repost viral diet content and have like link in bio and build an entire Instagram business around this. I mean, if you get 1 or 2 sales a day, that's $100 a day just off your Instagram page through your bulletproof keto diet that you have monetized your page with. So that is a great way to go and build an Instagram business and actually use the capital that you've made or free traffic to go invest into an Instagram page and build an entire diet business around that. So there's a really powerful method to build a full-time income online. I think this is a great way to make money online, is Instagram pages and then monetizing that through different offers, such as this case, this keto diet affiliate page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave like a square clickable link on the screen above to my best ClickBank money making playlist in 2020 to help you guys generate more affiliate commissions through affiliate products and build an affiliate business online and essentially make a full-time income online. So this playlist will teach you all about different skills online, how to promote affiliate products, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, a whole bunch of different traffic strategies to build an entire audience and monetize that online through affiliate marketing. So you're welcome to go check that out on the screen. But if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. But until then, take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.